Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Let's start. In today's video, in our last video, we have seen like inventory item part, like lot number item, serialized item. So in today's video, we are going to learn what is non-inventory item, service item, matrix item, assembly item, kit package item. So one by one, we'll learn and we'll discuss here. Don't worry about that. So when we are talking about the non-inventory item, what is the use of non-inventory item? How we are going to track? How we are going to use? What is the use of that? Why we need non-inventory item? So these kind of things we are going to talk here. So non-inventory item in NetSuite are product or service that a business buy or sells, but it doesn't track as inventory item. So we don't have any track record in NetSuite like in the report or inventory adjust track record. So these items are often used for the service like office supplies, downloadable product, or any item that does not require any stock tracking. On the stock level, we don't have any tracking way. So, for example, if we talk about office stationery pack, for example, this item is purchased as needed. Like, for example, for office use only, like in the expense category, like pen, notebook, expense directly managed as in inventory. So, what are the type of non-inventory item in NetSuite available? So, NetSuite provide three main type of non-inventory item non-inventory item for sale, that means item that are sold but not tracked as inventory item, for example providing consulting service, software licenses. Non-inventory item for purchase, item that are purchased but not stored as inventory item, office supplies, subcontractor service. Non-inventory item for resale, for example like item that are purchased and sold but not tracked as stock. So drop shipped item. So what are the key features? It doesn't track the stock level, no impact on inventory valuation, can be used for both sales and purchase, commonly used for office supplies, subcontracted or one-time use product, for example, pen, pencil, notebook. These are the things we can use only one time. So how to create the non-inventory item? So these are the navigation like go to a list, accounting items new, select the inventory item, choose appropriate type, purchase, sale, resale into the item name, description, pricing detail, assign expense account, income account, select tax code if applicable, and click on save. Let's walk through in the suite application. So first we need to navigate list, accounting, and item. Just click on item. So click on filter. We have already thing created non-inventory item. Yeah. So we have created now some non-inventory item. So these are the non-inventory item for sale. For example, notebook. So we have. So here we will edit and we'll understand. So in the name item name section or number section, we can provide the name or any item number to identify. For example, if you don't know, just click on the field help. Field help will given some brief description. So in that way we can understand while reading this. So, for example, if we read enter up to 250 characters for the name of this item, this name appears in the list of transaction. If you have the option to of entering a display name and do not the item name print in the item column of sales form when basic printing is used. If you have the option to enter a vendor name and do not the item name print in the item column of purchase. So these are the field help. It helps a lot of time, saving the time and understanding. So this is the parent item field. If you have parent item hierarchy, so you can select here parent item. So that will be a sub item is nothing just a parent item. So if you want to this to be a sub item, select the parent item. So if you select here parent item, then this notebook will be a child item. And just select the subsidiary for which subsidiary this item you want to create. I have created for all the subsidiary including this switch stream because I have added the child subsidiary. So check the include children's box to share this item with all the subsidiaries associated with each subsidiary selected in the subsidiary field. When you sharing the item across subsidiary, all of the options are selected on the item record must be compatible across subsidiary. For example, when entering an inventory item to be shared across subsidiary, you should select income and asset account on the item record that are also shared across the same subsidiary. That means what are the subsidiary here we are selecting. So all the accounts should be also a same subsidiary. For example, sweet stream you know, subsidiary. So when we are selecting the creating the item, then we are also giving that as a sweet stream subsidiary also assigning to that subsidiary also. We need to give the display name code. This name will be display on that transaction. So if you want to categorize by department wise, if you want to make it available based on department or class or location, then just with select. So based on that, it will be applicable, available for those class or location. So we need to select the type here. Once we'll select each, so it will auto populate, auto update. If you have any shipping method, then you can select the shipping method. Select the shipping method allow when adding the item to a sales order. You can override allowing shipping method and enter any shipping method when fulfilling an order. So this will be a shipping. So we have sales description you can enter here. So after that, you can give some price definition. So if you have a price base price, just for example, my book is 59 for the base price, alternate price 55, 51, 47. So these are the base price. When we are raising a sales order or invoice, then we can get this option to select that. By default it will appear with a 59. If you want to make any changes, then we can select alternate base price while raising sales order or invoices. Okay. So in the purchase, if you want to, if you have any details on the purchase related, you can enter here. So here we need to select the account, income account. So income account, you can select income account. Then we have asset account. Okay, office and expense income account. Just now select the taxable, not taxable. Then just click on save. Now we have created non-inventory item. So if you want to convert this non-inventory item to other type of item, then just you can click on create, or you can convert to this kind of different item. So this was that non-inventory item. I hope you guys understood this, how to create non-inventory item and what is the use. So this was the non-inventory item. Just we have knew that. So I hope this was some help for you guys. And in our next video, we'll learn service item. What is the service item? Matrix item. And use of matrix item. For today, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, add or comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon button. So for now, more NetSuite tips and tutorials. So stay tuned for our next chapter. Be happy, stay happy learning NetSuite. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care, everyone.